Hi everyone, it's Mio, and today I'm so excited to show you guys how to make this 3D latte bear using real milk foam. I'm definitely no expert in lattes or decorating them in general, but I really wanted to create them, so I'm going to show you guys how I created it. It might not be the most professional way, but I'll give you the tips that I accumulated after many trial and error. This is the cup that I'm using for this tutorial in particular, and you're going to fill your cup up with your favorite beverage. This can be coffee, latte, espresso, or even hot chocolate. It doesn't have to be espresso in order for you to enjoy this really cute latte art. So once you have the beverage of your choice, you're going to make the milk foam. So as you can see here, I'm using a different cup and I'm using fat-free milk. It's imperative that you use fat-free milk, and your milk needs to be really cold as possible. So make sure you take it just out of the fridge, and you're only going to pour a very small amount into your cup. You need to leave enough room in your cup in order for you to form milk foam. So I got this milk foamer online on Amazon.com. As you can see, this is the brand that I'm using, but really any type of milk foam machinery you have will work perfect for this project. And all you have to do is put it into your milk and just go up and down the cup. You want to go up and down because this helps aerates your milk and helps make more foam. As you can see, a little milk goes a long way. Now for decorating, it's not an exact science, but I'll give you the tips that I picked up after trying this multiple times. So I'm starting by filling up my cup with foam, but if you don't want to fill up the bottom part of your cup, that's completely fine. Now with a spoon, take several large scoops of foam and place it in the center to form the head of your bear or your kitty cat. Then with smaller scoops, you can put foams on the side to form the ears, and of course 2 large chunks in the front to form the little paws that are sticking out. The key to this project is to be really quick, because with time the foam will pop and your little character will disappear. So be as efficient as possible and don't worry about imperfections. As you can see, I'm using the back of a chopstick to fix any parts of the foam that I'm not happy with. If you don't have a chopstick, you can use a toothpick or the back of your spoon. To draw on the faces, I'm actually using the liquid that I used to fill the bottom of my cup, which happened to be hot chocolate, and I just used a toothpick to dip this in and form the eyes, nose, and the other parts of the body of my bear. Now, after some trial and error, I realized that food coloring looks really great, specifically the pink color. So if you just take some food coloring and water, you can really color the foam and make it look really cute. Now in case you're wondering, for the brown part, all I took was some hot chocolate, mixed it in with some water, and I'm using to decorate the foam. Now I actually picked up the tip here, and the key is to actually water down this hot chocolate as much as possible. So it looks fine now and it looks really cute, but in a second you'll see that if it's too thick, your foam actually starts to disappear a lot faster. And if you want to change your character, you always can. So as you can see here, I added more foam to the nose because I wasn't quite happy with it and I wanted to redo how the nose looked. Now I don't know if you can tell, but if you look at the bear paws, you can see that the paws are sinking in, and that's because the hot chocolate is too heavy for the foam to keep up, and it's slowly sinking in into the foam. So this is what my project looked like after sitting around for 5 minutes, so I decided to redo this project all over again from scratch. I'm using similar techniques that I used earlier, with the exception of I'm using my chopstick a little more often because it actually helps scoop the foam off the spoon, and that way I don't have to shake my spoon several times to get the foam onto the cup. And I'm also using my chopstick a lot more on the rim to help decorate the rim. As you can see, there's a dark brown color around it to look a little more realistic. Now the key difference between this project and my last one is actually the liquid I used to decorate and form the eyes and nose and paws on my teddy bear. So what I did is I took the same hot chocolate, but I watered it down with a lot more water so that the color is a little bit lighter, but it won't sink in as much as it did the first time into the milk foam. I used the exact same coloration of pink for the face because it actually doesn't sink in, and this is what my final bear product looks like. I think it's an absolutely adorable and cute way to experience your morning coffee if you have some time. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this tutorial useful. For more like these, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and do check out my Instagram. My username is FlyingNeo. I'll catch you guys soon. Good luck everyone!